Hey, welcome back. Van here. Today we've got another great product to review. This says intelligent socket with overload protection. Company sent this to me. This power strip offers 3 outlets, 4 USB charging ports, overload protection. Power supply will automatically cut off when current exceeds the threshold, preventing plugged-in high temperature devices from fire, spark, or other damages. We just got our office set up with a desk, so told the company that whenever I got that done I would do it. You've got a reset, an off, reset on the back here. This seems to be lightweight. It's got a heavy duty cord. I'm not sure what gauge that is, but it also says that the portable strip is compatible with when you're traveling. I guess you'd have to buy something to go in here if you're going to go overseas. 100 volt to 250 volt for mobile devices, lamps, and other small appliances. It's got a 5-foot cord and a worry-free, I don't know how this works, but it's a worry-free 12-month product warranty and $300,000 liability insurance for connected devices and property damage if incident occurs, for greater peace of mind. Nice packaging here in this box. High-speed intelligent 2.4 amp max fast charging for tablets, phones, and simultaneously. You don't have to worry about an outlet distribution, for the maximum speeds will automatically be varied according to the charging devices. The socket outlet supports US standard plug. So here at my desk I have a lamp plugged in here, an iPad, Alexa. Hey Alexa, what's the weather today?
In Rome, it's 33 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today, you can look for intermittent clouds with a high of 40 degrees and a low of 22 degrees.
Well, thank you, Alexa. And then we've got a laptop plugged up over here and another laptop plugged in for me to do my editing. So let's get this thing plugged up and get it to working. There will be a link in the description box down below that you can pick one of these up on Amazon. Let's see how it works for my situation. Alright, you see this little mess we got right here, but it's all plugged in. You can actually leave this up on your desk if you've got like a work desk. But this is just my desk here, so I've got my laptop, iPad, I've got my charger for my phone, Alexa. Hello Alexa. I've got the lamp plugged in.
I don't know that one.
Huh, okay, thank you Alexa. So that's it for my review. Check out the link in the description box down below. You can also look for other surge protectors there on Amazon that will probably meet your needs. Y'all, thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one now, and you come back.